years of waiting, it's not a big ask. It's okay. We'll be here.
Correct.
It's nothing to be worried about, especially for this group that has given me so much happiness, so much comfort. So like, wag na kayo mag-alala. Pero nilagay ko nga sa TikTok ko, gusto ko i-try. Gusto ko i-try na umalis. Kasi sabi ni Song Chul, huhulihin daw niya isa-isa lahat ng carrots na umalis. Tatry ko na umalis. Tapos sabi ko kay Song Chul, bye, alis na ako.
Hulihin mo ko.
Ganun. Tatry ko lang naman.
Okay.
Tapos tingnan ko lang. Para ma-feel ko, paano ba yun, Jongan? Ano ba feeling na hinahabol na isang choice ng Chul? Parang gano'n. One, two, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong, this is Monica.
What's up, everyone? This is Chancy.
Hi, my name is Pia, and welcome to One to Sarang, your favorite K-pop and K-drama podcast. Of course, we are still here at Q Studios. We want to thank them for always welcoming us and for giving us a venue for today's episode. At dahil dyan, i-connect ko sa opening question ko sa inyo for this episode. Kitang-kita nyo na naman kung ano pag-uusapan natin. And syempre, nasa title at thumbnail din naman siya.
Correct.
So, Chansey, Mon, ano ba yung feeling to feel like Pikachu?
Ako ito. Yon ang
feeling.
pagiging Pikachu.
Okay. How about you, Mon?
Ano?
I think bagay yung hat mo. Di ba
Yellow.
Exactly.
Anong feeling? Di ko alam. But I can just do the Pika. Gawin mo but more egyo.
Pika?
Ay, hindi. Wait. Again.
Ayusin mo. Taas mo ng konti yung hat mo para mas
Para makita.
maliwanag.
Okay.
Oo, ayan.
Pikachu.
Tama.
Okay.
Sukan.
I think yan po
naman.
ang dahilan kung bakit di kami naging idol. Ang hirap po ng egyo training. Pero best na po namin yan. But yeah, for this episode, we are gonna be talking about V8 and Carrotland 2026. Iyak. Okay, titingnan natin, iiyak ba talaga tayo? Baka naman matawa lang. So this episode, these are the questions that we will be talking about. First, what is your favorite song from V8? Meron akong follow-up question, pero mamaya na lang, surprise natin yung Sarah Bass.
Okay.
What is your overall impression of this album? Did it live up to the hype? And then, syempre, pag-usapan din natin ang Carrotland. So the question is, what was your favorite among the songs that don't match or that don't suit the members? And also dun sa song switch. Kung meron kayo for each, go. Or kung isa lang, go lang din. The set was a train station. Pinag-usapan natin yan extensively in our group chat. Let's talk about this. And meron na naman tayong follow-up question mamaya. I-surprise na lang din natin yan.
Daming surprises.
And then finally, the 17 as a whole group will be on a hiatus until 2028 or so. And this year, finally, towards the end of the year, the Macne line will be enlisting. At nung Carrotland, they kept on saying, wait for us, wait for us. So ano bang gusto nyong isagot sa pa-wait for us ng 17? Okay, pag-usapan natin yan. So first, we are talking about V8. So here is some things about this mini album. So this is their first mini album, which is also called V8. It has 8 tracks, and the title track is Sing a Song. We did do an MV reaction for this. So please do check it out. We will be putting it as a card para kung kayo rin, meron din kayong mga thoughts and feelings about this MV. Let us know in the comments. So the theme of this album is consumed youth. So it is about moving forward by using youth as fuel. Yan ang sabi ni Mr. Hansel Vernon Chue.
Youth.
This was ranked number 1 on the Hanto chart on July 1. And so far, it has sold more than 500,000 copies. So congratulations to this unit.
Claps.
And they did also work with Pharrell Williams once again for this album.
Wow.
He was also the producer of 17 OT13 song Bad Influence. And then this whole album starts with the song Friend. And yung opening niya is a snippet of an interview of Ming Hao when he was little when he
Yeah.
said that I want to be a star.
Oh.
The digital album has 8 tracks.
Mm.
It ends with Rat Race, which is the digital-only file.
Mm.
Okay, so pag-usapan na natin yan, meron ba kayong favorite song from the album? Umpisan mo na, Chansey.
Sobrang catchy ng song na yun, by the
Sobra.
way. It's not my
Yeah.
favorite, but just wanna say it out loud. Kasi as you were talking, tumutugtog lang talaga siya sa utak ko. Parang
Yeah.
it's in constant parang loop in
Yeah.
my head. But
At
not
parang
in a distracting way.
Correct.
Oo.
Nararapat maging title track.
Diba?
Yeah,
Nararapat
yeah.
na maging
Oo.
title track. Kasi
Well
no question.
chosen.
Correct. Oo. But my favorite song actually is Mia, na parang akala ko MIA, Missing in Action, which they are gonna be in a few months. But it is Mia because I
Vernon
like
Solo.
the Vernon Solo, oo. Na parang, not naman na na parang dahil Vernon Solo siya, whatever. But I like na it's a little bit on the more rockish kind of vibe. Oh, and it's an instant plus for me.
Yeah.
Parang ganun. Sobrang super duper enjoyed the bops of the song. Parang it's a good mix nga of the rock, alternative sound, may hyper pop with it. So, yun. So, that's why I really enjoy it.
Where do you wanna hear this song? And also, kapag narinig mo siya, sinong sebongi yung present? Anong
Ang
meet
hindi
cute
naman,
nyo?
ganyan, sobrang paulit-ulit na ako sa aking mga choices. No? Pero parati naman si DK.
Oh,
Yeah,
syempre.
yeah.
Siya naman talaga
Eh,
forever.
loyal tayo sa mga bias
Correct.
natin.
Oo,
Bakit?
monogamous ako.
Oo.
Yun nga. Tapos rockstar pa siya, di ba? So, saktong-sakto siya sa kantang to.
Oo.
Saan?
Saan?
Yan.
What does that mean? Isabihin mo, gusto namin marinig.
Gusto ko,
Ako na-feel ko.
na-feel mo, yun, oo.
Mm.
Ano?
Kahit
intindi mo dun?
kahit yung words ay missing in action.
Correct.
I
Di ba?
understood.
Nakuha mo yung ano. Anong
Oo.
reading mo dun sa sinabi ko?
Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw, anong
Hindi ko
reading mo
talaga
dun sa expression na yun?
Sa kama.
I'm curious. Yun.
Ah!
Ang pangit yun yung
Yes,
kanta.
sandali lang sabi ko kasi meet cute. Bakit sa kasa
Yung
yung
ba meet cute?
Oo.
Hindi ko na-pick up yung meet cute eh.
Okay.
Pero kung i-meet cute ko siya, siguro, kasi it's a boppish kind of song. So, I feel like, maybe, like, in a gig or something. It feels like a gig kind of vibe.
And like DK goes to like
Oo,
rockish gigs.
correct.
Kasi like, she likes songs like that.
Oo.
So like sa Sagiho, ganyan.
Oo, Sagiho. Sobrang luma ng Sagiho. Ano yung sa yung Route 196?
Mas
Tama ba?
luma
Pero
pa.
mas
Nagsara
luma
na
ba
yun.
yun?
Kasi
Wala na
Sagiho
yun.
meron pa.
Correct. Tama naman. O, doon tayo sa Sagiho na lang.
Oo.
At least
Oo.
buhay na buhay pa for the bagets.
Correct.
But yeah, something like that.
Mm.
It feels like, ayun nga, parang it's a very youthful song as well. And
Mm-mm.
like, it's a very youthful venue that I would like to insert myself in.
Nararapat.
Nararapat,
Ganon. Okay,
oo.
pwede. Ikaw, Mon, what's your favorite song from
Meron
this
akong
album?
fun fact
Ano?
sa Mia. Kasi yun din ang favorite song ko.
Oo.
I love it because apparently Mia, it's a very personal song of Vernon's. Kasi in Korean, Mia means lost child. So in the song, he's
Missing
actually
in
singing
action.
about how he does not
Oo.
know where to place himself. Parang
So, hindi
ganon.
pala siya sexy.
Hindi siya sexy at all. Diba? Parang pero pasok pa rin, diba? Parang kasi
Oo.
lost child, even if we pronounce it as MIA. Because I
Correct.
also thought
Totoo.
of it as
Oo.
MIA.
Oo. Yeah.
Oh, pasok pa rin. Not bad, diba?
Oo.
And I love it because it sounds so retro. And it
Mm.
sounds so out of, not naman saying na walang pinakita dito si Minghao na siya. Kasi, hello, ramdam natin
Yeah.
ang
True that.
pagka-Minghao
Oo,
here.
correct.
Pero yung sa Mia, parang nakita ko yung pagkatao talaga ni Vernon.
Mm.
Alam mo yun, yung pagka-quirky, yung pagka-retro. And then, he was saying pa na na-inspire siya because of Blur's Song 2. Parang a remix version of it. Yun yung isa sa mga major inspirations niya for this song.
Oo.
And I'm like, I mean, Blur, Song 2
Hindi
is
pa
like...
napapanganak si Noni nung
Oh,
lumabas yung
syempre,
song.
cool siya. Alam niya yun.
naman.
I know,
And
I'm
alam
just
mo
like
yun.
shocked.
And their
Oo.
parents are cool.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo.
So Song 2 is like the song for
Yeah.
us, right? So I thought that
Mm-mm.
was really cool. But since I guess na-mention mo yung Mia, gusto ko na rin na i-mention na lang siguro yung second favorite ko ay Girls and Boys.
Oh my God, I love that
Because,
song.
and it's everyone's favorite.
Yes.
And it just sounds so fun. And parang do you remember that song, another Blur song? Girls who like boys, who want girls, who want boys, something
Yeah.
like that. Parang for some reason, yun yung pumasok sa isip ko.
Oo.
When I saw the title, and I wonder if it's something similar.
Mm.
It's not, pero parang it is also. I don't know if you can listen to the Blur song again
Mm,
and then
mm,
listen to this. Parang I see it. I see how it could be the same. Kasi parang in this song, the V8 version, it sings about girls and boys give up na sila.
Oo.
Sa lahat.
Oo.
Parang tama na to. Like pare-pareho lang tayo. Pantay-pantay lang tayo. And then like in the Blur song naman, parang ang main thesis niya is love is for everyone. Parang ganun. So parang I like that there's like similar vibes and parang natutuhog mo kung ano yung proseso nila during this this album making.
Yeah.
Na parang nandun sila sa era natin. Nag-search for inspiration. So medyo nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Oo.
It does sound a lot like 90s, early 2000s kind of
Yeah.
songs that's
Yeah.
why it's so familiar and easily relatable.
Yeah.
So where do you want to hear Girls and Boys and which Sebongi will you meet
shucks.
cute with this song as the background?
Yung prepare ko dyan pala is for Mia pa rin.
Okay.
Game.
Kasi, definitely, of course, Dino, I want
Monogamous ka din.
Monogamous tayo
Oo.
pag 17.
Oo.
Sa 80s lang ako.
Sa ibang
pwede
grupo,
magkalamas.
confused eh. Oo. Sino ba?
Na okay lang. Parang
Oo.
no. Pero pag dito, Dino only. Gusto ko siyang ma-meet sa isang random street somewhere in Europe. Dahil pareho kaming nag-decide na we're gonna explore without maps.
Ay, gusto ko yung specific,
You know,
ano na
there is a
yun.
Netflix show that's like that.
Really?
Yeah, parang it's a Japanese dating show na parang ganun yung concept. Maghahanapan kayo without a map and then you get to know each other without cell phones. Baka dapat sumali kayong dalawa doon.
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hahanapin yung isa't isa?
Parang ganon.
Ganon?
Yung pinaka-first episode. Tapos syempre magkakasama sa isang house. Anyway, basta ganon.
Oh.
I think,
Yun.
yeah.
Oo.
Cute. Ang
Oo.
perfect na Mia.
Yeah.
Kasi, I mean, although mas sad yung pagka-lost in the
Oo,
song.
correct.
Pero ito, ang cute kasi ng song, very ano siya, parang may pagka-adventurous.
Oo.
may
Energetic.
certain energy siya na
Oo.
nag-explore.
Correct.
Kahit na the lyrics pala, it's very
Heavy.
yun nga, heavy.
Oo.
I can imagine it as a soundtrack for that kind of
Oo.
situation.
Correct.
Yeah.
Diba?
Oo.
Exploring and discovering something new. Dino, it's you!
Gusto ko yung pre-practice na
Pero
niya
dapat
yung
di mo
parang-
kilala.
Oo nga, hindi mo siya
Oo.
kilala.
Kailangan di mo sabihin na ganun. Parang like, excuse me, are we on the same spot right now? Ganun. Are we looking at the same thing? Ganon. Oo.
Hindi na. Basta, okay.
Hindi ka fan, hindi ka fan.
hindi ako
Oo,
fan.
hindi ka
Oo.
fan.
Sige, wala akong photo card.
Wala akong photo
Wala.
card. Oo.
Itago mo lahat
Oo.
yan.
Practice mo
Correct,
muna.
correct.
Mm-mm.
Ulit?
Hindi,
Oo,
hindi.
okay.
Sa bahay, sa bahay.
Sa bahay. Okay, ilalabas na lang namin. As a
Oo.
real. Ganon. For me, my favorite song in this album, parang, alam niyo na naman yung common thread ng mga favorite songs ko.
Correct.
But for this one, it's beat. As in, sobrang when I heard this song, it's so very lo-fi. So parang just creeps up on you.
True.
And ang sarap lang niyang pakinggan na parang for ano lang, again, yung mga slow
Vibes.
dancing
Correct.
vibes, ganon. Tapos,
Oo.
may ano ka lang, very chill drink with you. Hindi siya yung pang walwalan kind of night. You just wanna unwind kind of night. So I really like that song. At syempre, sino pang kikitain ko? Si Songchul na lang. Parang kasi kung si Hoshi, friend-zone lang tayo.
Oo nga eh.
Doon lang tayo
ka na sa
kay,
ano?
oo, kay Songchul.
Oo.
Gusto ko siyang marinig sa in Bali, di ba? Then there's like a long stretch of beach na
Oo.
parang dire-diretso lang yung parang may mga bar, may mga,
Correct.
may mga live music tugtog.
Tsaka
Ganun.
may mga poy.
Oo.
Important yung poy.
So, bakit pa mag-Bali? Ba't di na lang sa Bohol?
Oo.
Sa Boracay.
Oo, sa Boracay.
Kailangan ng cliffs.
Oo,
Oo.
okay. Pero yun yung gusto ko. Maybe with a bintang beer as well.
Correct.
I miss
Important.
bintang beer.
Oo.
Pero yun, parang yun yung kailangan. Tapos yung tipong magsasayawan kayo na pawis na kayo. So, surfing tayo bukas.
Tapos tatakbo kayo sa tubig.
Oo.
Kasi mainit na. Parang
Correct.
init tayo sa tubig.
Oo, tas
Ganon.
sasayaw na naman ulit kayo.
Oo.
Ayun, ganun. Sobrang ganun yung beat. But then in general, like this album, parang either maririnig mo siya sa H&M.
Agree.
Parang siyang pang H&M or pang bar or pang club. Parang
Oo,
wala
oo,
siyang
oo,
middle
oo,
ground.
oo,
Correct,
oo,
correct.
oo.
Well, sa kotse ko rin.
Tama.
Yung coach mo, H&M?
Oo.
Dami
Yung pala yun.
Pero masaya siyang vibes sa
Oo.
car.
Correct.
Parang nakakaano siya.
Oo.
Nakaka-put you into either a happy place or Something, basta if you just need vibes or energy.
Yeah, it is
Oo.
saktong chill. It's not
Oo.
a super woo, ganun. Pero
Oo.
parang saktong good vibes ka
Correct.
na. Hello,
Correct.
H&M nga pala.
Hi.
Ang daming banggit, ano?
Correct.
Oh, meron na kaming, please add this to your playlist. Yung one to Sarah.
Ako
podcast
andun ako ng isang araw, marinig ko yung mga boses natin.
Oo,
Ganun.
bigla na
One,
natatawa,
two,
gano'n.
Sarah, habang kumuha ng manmet.
Because why not? And then
Mm-mm.
this album had a lot of hype. I think a lot of carrots were pleasantly surprised when it was announced na ito yung mag-unit because everybody
Correct.
thought na parang, okay, Endlessment era, lahat na mag-endless, sila na yung mag-unit. Everybody assumed that it's gonna be Ming Hao Jun, Vernon
Oo.
Bino. Then all of a sudden, it was V8. Parang everybody was like, it makes so much sense. But
Correct.
nagulat pa rin yung mga
Oo.
tao. So there's a lot of hype. Did it live up to the hype?
Like 100%.
Super.
Like-
Yes.
Like everything I imagined, syempre, not to the T nangyari.
Oo.
Pero super pleasantly, ni surprise, pleasantly, like guaranteed.
Oo.
Na tama yung mga hinala natin. Alam mo
Oo,
yun?
oo,
Na
oo,
masaya siya. And I like that it's different. Like, ang ganda sa mga interviews nila, they keep on saying na we were really making sure na we work with people who aren't really into, who haven't worked in K-pop.
Yes.
Parang they just really want to explore their sound. Or actually, yung sound na naririnig natin, very familiar eh.
Correct.
Yeah.
Parang
Oo.
ibang-iba siya sa K-pop world.
Mm-mm.
But like, in Europe, like in the Western world,
Oo.
it's very it. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun?
It's giving Charlie
Oo.
XCX for me.
Yes, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Parang
Very Brad
and
Summer.
a lot of
Mm-mm.
inspirations like that.
Yeah.
And Vernon did
Oo.
collab with her
Correct.
2 years ago.
Yeah,
Yeah, 2 to 3 years ago. So,
Oo
matagal na rin yung
nga.
connection na
Diba?
yun. Yeah.
Parang while it feels like not new outside, parang ang saya lang din. Kasi syempre, mga playlist natin, mga K-pop, ang saya lang na, may iba. Alam mo yon Kasi, I don't know why, ako personally, I don't mix K-pop songs with Western. Alam mo yun? Ang dami-daming genres within K-pop.
Oo, correct.
And parang wala akong ultimate. Pag na-feel ko, I think I wanna listen to this playlist. Usually yung playlist na to, mas puro Western stuff.
Oo.
Pero pag K-pop, playlist, puro K-pop lang. Hindi
Mm.
ko siya na-mix. But anyway, point ko lang naman is, nakakatuwa kasi ito, dahil Vernon DH, by virtue of labels,
Oo.
nandun siya sa K-pop playlist ko. So, parang nakakatuwa na, pang reshuffle ng
Correct.
feelings. Alam mo
Oo,
yun? Para maiba,
oo.
parang
Yeah.
ganon. So,
Oo.
I like that effect.
Correct. Parang in a way, like their album is their most mainstream.
Yeah, diba?
Kumbaga, parang it can like, it can go from K-pop to like, mainstream Western sound, ganyan. And for me, I think this is such a match made in heaven. As
Yeah.
in, na parang ako like, honestly, no expectations. So, nalaman ko na sila na parang, I didn't think of that. Pero parang at the same time, parang in my head, kasi if it's gonna be Vernon's gonna go alternative,
Yeah.
ganyan, rock, and then Ming Hao is so solid in his like EDM house. So like, how are those two worlds gonna like meld?
It's
Alam mo
perfect
yun?
though.
Oo, kaya nga, ito nga yung dating. And parang parang they did this challenge with Cortez. Na parang like, tong grupo na to, pwede sila mag-unit eh.
Oo,
Diba si
oo.
Martin tsaka si
Juhon.
Juhon.
Juhon pala.
Juhon. Na parang, alam mo yun, parang, yun yung vibe ng V8 for me talaga. It's really like yung parang medyo, parang trendy punk boys na, alam mo yun, parang explorative, very creative, ganyan yung vibe. And sobrang na-convey nila talaga ng maayos dito sa album na to. Parang it's not your most emotional
Yeah.
It's not.
album, but parang in this day and age when vibes already summarizes everything, parang you don't need so many words to say what your song is about. They really truly are able to capture it. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun? I mean, honest to goodness, like parang EDM as a usual thing isn't really my jams. I'm really
Yeah.
more of like a hip-hop girly.
Mhm.
Ganon. But like, I enjoyed how chill and easy this album is. And it's
Yeah.
like a good combination of the two of them talaga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sobrang clear. And in the whole package of 17 unit groups, ang galing talaga nila every unit is so individualized.
Oo.
Ang galing-galing talaga nilang mag-piece together. Tapos sasabihan pa ng isang trot album in the future.
I know!
Parang yung scope of the musical
cherry on
genre.
top.
The cherry on top. So, ang galing. I am super, super enjoying talaga all the units that are coming out and this album as well.
Yeah, it's super same. Parang, and it's so interesting the way these people have been partnered up because na kapag kunwari si Minghao i-partner mo kay June, iba na naman yung sound
Correct.
na lalabas. Parang, obviously, they're all different people. Pero like, the combination of Hao and Noni is just so, parang para sa akin, sobrang powerhouse.
Yeah.
Yun talaga yung
Oo.
parang sobrang intense. I mean, syempre, bias naman kay Ho bias naman talaga.
Oo.
Pero iba kasi yung datingan ng parang Noni Hao na parang, I guess yun
Correct.
nga, like what you both mentioned, I guess, it's more mainstream, it's more accessible in a way.
Yes. Oo.
It's much easier to get into. And putting the two of them together, ang cute pa, kasi like in their album, there's English, there's Korean, there's Chinese.
Correct.
Parang lahat yun ipagsama-sama
Oo.
dito. Sobrang interesting and good job sa Sebongis for putting them together.
True that.
At buti na lang na hindi natuloy ang Noni Songkwan for now. Maybe in the future, magkakaroon tayo ng Verk 1
Also
unit.
very exciting.
Right?
Ano ba ang work one?
Mag-aaway lang ba sila ng mag-aaway?
Pero yun yung nakakatuwa.
Diba?
Diba?
Or like, maingay lang si Songkwan tapos si Noni tahimik lang.
Tahimik,
Ay,
gano'n. No? Reaction lang siya dun.
And of course, very exciting, they will be having a live concert. So that's gonna be in Goyang in July 11 and 12, as well as in Hong Kong sa July 18 and 19.
Yes.
So, yan ang mga ng mga naka-line up for V8. Napakaswerte ng mga makakanood nito. From one live show to the next, very recently concluded as well, Carrotland 2026. This is the 10th Carrotland at ginanap siya sa Incheon Stadium. So it was like a huge place to hold a fan meet. But, of course, 17 is 17.
Correct.
Syempre, kailangan talaga big venue para dyan. So, eto na, ang sinasabi nila na last Carrotland
final.
for a while. Grabe naman sa final.
Grabe naman yung
Ang
final.
The
sakit.
final of this chapter. That's what they kept on mentioning.
Pero sige, parang bago naman tayo pumunta sa mga masasakit na bagay, bago naman tayo umiyak-iyak. Syempre, one of the highlights, and thank God they did it again this year because ilang years na nilang stinap gawin to, is the song that doesn't suit them as well as
They didn't do it last year.
they didn't. Wala. Tapos even,
Oh.
yeah, they didn't do it last. I was so mad because I was waiting for like Hoshi before he enlists and all of that.
Oo
So wala silang ganun
nga.
last year. So finally, they did it again this year. And of course, they also did the solo switch unit. Solo song switch din. So anong mga favorite ninyo dun sa ginawa nila of those two? You, Monica.
Siyempre, walang magpapatalo sa Dinky.
Dinky Suleman?
Sa DK, Pinky Up kasi.
Okay. Pinky up pala.
Pinky Up. Alam naman
Oo,
natin,
oo.
si Sir Give na Give, di ba? Like, iba talaga ang isang dokyom sa ganyan.
Naman.
Give,
Career.
lahat sila give na give.
Oo.
Pero, for some reason, na extra level. Like si
Oo.
Dino, you know how he's always extra in everything.
Yeah.
And nakikita mo. Pero, pag ganitong segment, tapos si DK, sasayaw na ng,
Oo.
kung hindi Cat's Eye, ano yun yung isa?
Jenny.
And all that, and Blackpink and all that. Ibang level. As in,
Napoposes kasi
gugunaw
siya
ang
eh.
mundo. Oo.
Nakikita mo yung nagsiswitch sa mata niya.
Diba?
Tsaka iba
Tas
talaga
gusto
yung,
niya.
iba yung Pinky Up versus sa like Jenny. Yung like
Oo.
Jenny, parang kulang siya sa spark that day.
Oo.
Pero nung parang Cat's Eye, oh, I'm so there. Parang may ganun eh, may
Correct,
iba.
correct.
Oo.
Tama.
And of course, to add to that, sobrang favorite ko rin nung si DK, nag-Skyfall at nag-DK Time.
True!
Grabe talaga yung tawa ko doon.
Sorry naman yung Skyfall. I have to interject. No?
Yes!
Grabe. Ay,
Nakasando.
tato. Grabe, alam mo, kung fantasy lang kung fantasy, no? Yun na yun.
Correct.
Wala na ibang mga kaano. Tapos ang dami pa ni mga fan cams.
Oo.
Na syempre, iba-ibang angulo, di
Oo.
ba? Tapos puro thank you, Lord. At nauso ang one-arm pagsuot ng mga sweater.
Correct.
No? Nakalabas yung isa niyang ano.
Correct.
Pero grabe talaga, as in Skyfall, who knew that this man is actually ready for that?
Oh, we
Grabe.
knew. We just
Grabe.
didn't think of it.
Oo.
So maybe we're putting it out there, a DK and Minghao unit in the works.
Correct.
Oh, that's cool.
Right?
That would be cool. Gusto lang din i-add sa Skyfall. Kasi nakakatawa kasi to the T yung
Oo.
meron siyang shawl dito.
Diba?
Tapos nakakatawa ako dun sa LV shirt niya.
Oh,
Kasi, I mean, Louis Vuitton, obviously,
Oo.
kasi
Oo.
big tayo.
Correct.
Pero for some reason, mukha kasi siyang fake. Feeling, I haven't checked or anything. Pero diba, there's something about the
I don't
LV-ness niya na
know.
mukha siyang green.
Pero feeling ko hindi naman nila ata pasuotin
Yun
siya
nga
ng peke
eh. Kasi
on
obviously,
stage.
they can afford it naman.
Oo, correct.
Pero kasi dahil meron siyang fake tattoo,
Oo.
alam mo yun, medyo kinikitch na ni
Oo,
DK. Hindi rin ako
correct.
although syempre, I guess they can't also. Kasi
Oo,
legalities
correct, legalities
bawal.
wise. So, ang cute pa ng tattoo niya. May nakalagay pa, ano yun? 17 loves Trency? Parang gano'n.
Gusto mo yung emoji 13 mo talaga?
DK loves Trency? Ano?
Oh,
Ano
pero
yung
may
nakalagay?
something about carrots
Carrot.
and whatever.
Oo,
pero
how
mga
cute.
ganon.
Mm-mm.
Sobrang sweet.
Super fun.
And also the DK time kasi, as in,
Correct.
parang nalaglag talaga ako sa upuan ko noong una.
Nakakatawa yun.
Kasi parang
Sinisip
syempre
pa
going
niya dun
through
eh.
it, you like look forward. Usually, pag
Mhm.
vocal unit na, kahit kanino sila nakipag-switch,
Correct.
ginagawa talaga nilang comedy.
Oo.
As in yun talaga. So parang, as you're going through it, parang, okay, I guess serious tayo this time
Oo,
around.
oo,
Kasi
oo.
paglabas ni DK, kahit na alam mo namang may something, parang feeling ko, yun na yung most na magagawa niya.
Yes.
Pero yung bigla siyang nag-DK time, tapos yung mga dancer, parang
Oo,
walang choice.
walang
Kundi
choice,
mag-DK.
ganun
Oh my
DK
God,
time.
tawa talaga ako.
Oo.
And to the beat.
Correct. Pero dun siya magaling. Alam mo, yung
Oo.
kaya niyang incorporate talaga yung personality niya sa kahit na anong ginagawa
Yes.
niya. As in, kaya ko siya mahal. Alam mo yun, na-imagine ko na yung kasala namin na
Na,
paano
ano
niya,
mangyayari?
papasok niya yung, ganun din,
Magdi-DK
magdi-DK
time
time
siya.
siya. You may kiss the bride.
So, mag-hello siya sa mga parents. Ganon.
Ganon.
May pa-DK time din ganap. Kasabaw.
Cute nun.
How about you? Meron ka bang favorite?
Me, oh my God, guys, of course, catch. So,
Kupsh,
kupsh. As in,
Ay,
parang,
kaninong catch? Dalawa nga
Joshua
pala.
din
May
eh.
Joshua
Ay,
kasi.
ni,
May
ano,
Song Chol.
ni Song Chol. Grabe, iba talaga yung dating nung ano na yun. Parang paulit-ulit ko siya pinanood. Kasi parang ang cute niya. And I've never seen him so engaged
Oo.
Yes.
in like a song. Parang, dati kasi parang, oh, I'm so shy.
Oo.
Dito kasi parang proud siya eh.
Kasi nanonood si Jongan.
Ganon.
Yun lang yung
Ulit
makita.
niya.
Yun
Nung second day.
Nung second day, kasi nandun si Joshua.
Oo.
Parang sumabay lang siya kay Joshua. Pero iba kasi yung datingan niya nung first
Nung
day.
first day eh. Tapos yung
As in talagang
cameraman,
notice me crush.
diba?
Ganon.
Tsaka yung cameraman, inutusan niya na parang, uy, dun sa second time, dapat una yung puwet ko
Oo,
diba? Tapos iakyat mo.
Diba?
Parang
Ganun lang
ko.
akong ano doon.
Mm-mm.
Alam niyo naman na sa group chats natin,
Oo.
sobrang inis na inis ako sa mga outfits nila.
Oo.
doon. Kasi parang untidy-tidy.
Oo.
Correct.
Tapos
It's
taon-taon
giving
lang
security guard.
Ako. Yun
pants.
nga. Lalo na yung kay Song Chol kasi
Oo.
naka-skip-skip sa pants.
Oo.
Di
Pero
ba
gusto
meron
natin
yung
yun.
ano?
We're not hating on that.
Oo, I like that.
But, pero natatawa lang ako kasi there's like that security guard na sumasayaw. Tapos sumasikip din yung pants niya. Magaling sumayaw si
Oo,
Sir.
correct.
Kaya
Oo
ako siya
nga.
pinafollow,
Oo.
kaya ako siya sinusubaybayan.
Oo.
Pinapanood. Pero taon-tawa lang ako na parang, oops, ba't ka naging
Oo.
secure? Ang sikip ng
Oo.
pants mo.
Oo.
Like, it added to the cuteness.
So,
But
Correct.
inis ako na parang, bakit si secure yung iniisip
Oo.
ko? Like,
I think it's a you problem. Bakit mo iniisip yung security
Kaya
guard?
nga. Ang
Oo.
sarap sabihin, Choi Sung Chol. Pero
Correct.
tawa-tawa din ako dun kasi parang diba the next day he was like,
Yung
inulit ko nga sa bahay eh.
Oo.
Kasi I was so proud of myself. Sabi niya. Kasi tawa-tawa ako na, alam mo, tama naman.
Oo.
Kasi sumasayaw siya sa bahay mag-isa
Correct.
nun.
Oo,
Parang
oo.
gano'n. Parang lahat sila, ano bang
Praktisado,
ginagawa mo sa
praktisado.
bahay?
Oo, obvious
Hindi,
walang jowa.
after. After niya mag-catch-catch kasi he was so proud of what he did. So, inulit pa niya sa bahay.
Paulit-ulit. As a
Oo.
true
in front
Leo.
of his dog. Ganon.
Of his brother.
Of his brother. Pero alam mo, in fairness talaga sa puwet ni Song
Grabe
Oo.
talaga.
Kasi yung boom pala, kahit yung mga boys, kasi ibang yung boom, hindi ko siya magagawa ngayon.
Oo,
Pero diba
oo.
yung ganon,
Oo, yung kending-kending.
yung kending-kending part na yun.
Yeah.
Like lahat ng sebongs parang, wow, paano mo ginawa? Ang ganda ng korte niya.
Oh my God.
It's the puwet.
Okay, it's time for boom pala. Kailangan ko lang talagang i-walk through ang aking moment doon.
Mm-mm.
Kasi first of all, to be fair talaga, ang iconic kasi ng intro ng boom pala.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct.
So parang nakaabang na kami na, ano kayang gagawin niya sa second day?
Mm.
Tapos nung umupo na siyang naka-Indian seat, alam mo na,
Ah,
wala
correct.
nang iba pa kundi boom pala.
Oo.
Tapos yung sumilip na siya ng isang oh my God.
Oo.
Natunaw talaga ako.
Oo.
Pero kasi iba talaga yung dating ng catch niya. Kasi feel niya, bumalik na siya sa, nahihiya ako.
Oo.
Medyo may ganong factor na siya. But oh my God, Coops pala.
Coops pa.
It's a really huge highlight for me this year. Oh my God. Gusto ko lang din ibanggit yung fortunate change ni Dino na may sayaw.
True.
Correct.
Kasi Dino yun eh. Hindi pwedeng, kahit konting sway-sway. Dapat
Correct.
may
Hindi pwedeng ano lang, hindi pwedeng like
Diba?
naglalakad lang sa EDSA.
Ay, hindi pwede.
In
No.
fairness na ano nga niya.
Fairness.
Kasi parang nakita ko, walang flyover. Ay, nako, Dino. No.
Oo.
Tapos biglang sumayaw siya.
Important.
Okay, great.
Correct.
Mahalaga.
Pero actually, yung favorite switch ko is still Coops
Oo.
with
Songkwan.
Happy Virus.
Ay,
Happy
DK pala, Happy
Virus.
Virus.
Like,
Correct.
down to the camera work.
Mm.
And that sheep song talaga
Oo.
will get me. Like,
Mhm.
akala ko it's like a DK thing. But
Mm.
when Coops was doing it too, with his all smiley,
Oh.
ang cute-cute niya.
Meron pa siyang, I'm your Happy Virus.
I
Song
know.
John.
Ang cute.
Oo, feeling ko dream niya maging Happy Virus. Kaya kasi, di ba, he's such an anxious man.
Yeah.
Na parang feeling ko he cannot be the happy person in the group because he has to think ahead for
Ahead.
everyone. So I feel like being a happy virus means like letting all of that go and just being
Yeah.
there in the moment being happy. So feeling ko kaya siguro yung energy din niya ang ganda.
Oo.
Kasi that's what he wants to be.
For this performance.
I mean,
ganun.
as a
general.
general
Yeah.
thought, just be happy, not be anxious.
Nakakaiyak.
Mm-mm.
Yes, Song Chol, we want that for you.
Oo.
So, napag-usapan natin kanina yung costume nila, very likely. But, of
Mm.
course, let's touch on the set. Kasi
Oo.
parang sa akin, yung pinaka-naalala ko talaga dun sa train station set
Mm.
was that during the Howu concert, the last con, nung may
Mm.
pa-send off na sila kay Hoshi
Oo.
tsaka kay Woozi, binanggit ni Hoshi kay Woozi na, when we get the chance, let's meet at the train station. Tapos sabi ni Woozi, yes, let's do that.
Mm.
And I remember finding it on Twitter somewhere. Hindi ko na
Mm.
mahanap. Pero may nag-mention na I think it's probably like a military expression, meeting at the train station. Pero may something na ganun eh. If I'm not mistaken, Sarang Base, correct me if
Oo.
I'm wrong, but I remember finding something like that on Twitter that, you know how parang in Korea, di ba, yung parang something about the shoes also, di ba, may ganun din silang parang
Oo.
metaphor about military.
Oo.
So parang may nabasa akong ganun. So parang, okay, is that why train station yung ginawa nila for this time around?
Interesting.
So anong thoughts ninyo dun sa set and like bago natin tsakahin, dun sa pinaka-ano nila about the set?
parang yung concept very transportation in general. Or, I don't know, kasi parang yung costume din kasi nila very marine.
Oo.
Ano ba? Di term.
Nautical.
Marinero, nautical.
Oo, very
Alam,
nautical
very
nga yung
nautical.
dating.
So parang like, and all of them old school. Alam mo yun, not modern at all. Alam mo yun. May sense of nostalgia, I guess, with it. Tapos may element pa of medyo fantastical din kasi nalumilipad yung trend.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? So parang...
Tapos yung day one, nahirapan pa yung isa. Yung parang yung cover niya, hindi mahirapan
pa siya.
Diba,
Sa
hindi
day 2
pa
pa gumawa.
makangat?
Kasi day 1 lang napanood ko. So sa day 2 sabay.
Okay na. Okay na.
Akala ko parang effect lang.
Hindi.
Pala. Okay, so
Roller
naiwan yung
coaster.
isa.
Oo.
Okay. So na-delay. So yun. It was naman, parang may sense of like parang fairy tale-ish for me at the start. Parang ganun. And maybe, I don't know, baka dun lang tayo gusto i-transport with Carrotland.
Oh.
Parang ganun. Fairy tale ending. Ganun.
Pwede.
Not sure.
I mean, it's not my favorite concept. I think you
Oo.
knew that from the moment they released the poster.
Oo.
Not just because of the quality of the poster. Parang
Oo.
hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Parang hindi ko na kasi sila natutuhog na, I mean, of course, Carrotland is also like a journey to the past, like kung saan sila nanggaling and stuff like that. Pero like in the previous years naman kasi, they were able to mix that nostalgic feels with something a little less cheesy. I don't know, medyo na-cheesyhan ako sa whole train station thing.
And then they brought it back in the end. Tama ba?
Hindi na,
diba?
wala
So, start
na.
lang yung
Start
train.
lang.
Oo.
Yeah. Pero yung carts, they made it look
Don't like
trainish.
trainish. oo.
Train-like, parang
Oo,
ganun.
parang yun na yung pinakatuhog niya
Oo,
dun sa beginning.
oo. Hindi naman sa I don't know. Pero hindi ko na siya kasi masyado iniisip eh.
Oo.
Kasi honestly, right now, alam ko naman na nasa I don't want to call it final stages. Pero kumbaga, hindi, I feel like, in the recent months, hindi, this is so mean to say na hindi na sila nag-e-effort. Pero kumbaga, compared to before na mas, wow.
Oo.
Hindi ako na wow dito. Parang ganon. We've seen bigger ones before.
For Carrotland.
For Carrotland, I feel. And like the set, was it, kailan yung may bahay? Yung parang yung French house ba yun?
Class.
Parang
No,
basta
2 years ago.
And then yung may festival.
Oo.
Basta parang, alam mo yun, it
Festival.
was a very, very, ang grand ng feels. Yung nag-ano sila
But
na,
the venue was smaller then.
yeah, it was smaller.
Oo.
So this is a little bit bigger na din naman din talaga. But, again, I don't know. Basta parang the grandest, hindi ko na parang hindi siya at par with what I'm used to before. Whether Carrotland or
They spoiled
concert.
us.
Oo.
They kind of spoiled us. Pero parang gets ko naman din na okay lang. Tapos may onting theory pa nga ako. Kasi parang may nasilip ako, di ba? They had like was it a fan con? Fan meet also? Ganda ng set! So parang tama din naman na ang Pledis mas nakadirect sa kanila. Kasi, di ba? Kasi yung ang dami pa nilang kailangan i-build eh. And 17, not naman saying that they don't deserve the time. Pero parang, may ano naman, when they come back, tara, let's do it. Pero like, maybe it's okay na tuwa sa yung mas binigyan ng budget. I don't know if that makes sense. In terms of design, parang...
Sorry, tour na pala yun.
Tour na
So,
pala
kaya
yun.
siya maganda yung design because it's not a fan meet.
Okay,
Correct.
well,
Makes
there's a
sense.
difference naman. Pero basta, ang ganda nun yung parang may parebon, gano'n eh.
It's their very
Oo,
first
oo,
concert
kaya
kasi.
naman.
Parang,
Oo.
bongga nito. Parang
My
ganun.
God! Okay, ayokong pumunta sa tuwas. Parang,
Parang naano ko lang, dun sa mga games though, I felt like they put more effort here.
Oh, it looks
Parang
better.
parang for example, they have bigger sets for the games.
Yeah.
every year naman.
Parang, di ba kasi meron sila ito yung parang pinupukpok.
Oo.
So parang, I mean, in my recollection, parang yun yung parang malaking set nila.
Yung whack-a-mole.
Yung
no?
whack-a-mole
Parang sila ng-
type. Oo.
Every year, like, very fantastical yung game. Di ba may time pa nga yung nag-basketball sila paikot, tapos yung si Woozy, kailangan niya hulaan yung title ng song.
Oo.
Parang,
Oo.
I don't know.
Pero parang maliliit yung props kasi.
Oo,
Ito
maliliit.
parang medyo
Parang-
giant. May giant Tetris.
Oo.
Get, oo.
Pero may naalala din ako mga big sets. Sorry, I'm a
Oo.
Carrotland apologist because
Oo.
it's my most favorite show as in even more than concerts. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung mga ginagawa nila sa Carrotland. Kaya sobrang talaga sumakit yung puso ko na just the realization na walang Carrotland next year. Parang nung sa BTS din nung nawala yung Festa, parang
Correct.
tapos ngayon, parang iba na yung attack nila sa Festa, not
Oo
like
nga.
before. So parang yung mga ganon. And these things are just so meaningful to me. And so I guess kailangan ko ring ituhog dyan. Sino sa kanila ang train station ng MRT/LRT sa Cubao at bakit?
Alam mo, napa-research ako sa tanong na yan ng mga stasyon eh.
Cubao muna, kasi Cubao is where everything meets.
Kung ang Cubao Station ay ang station kung saan nagaano lahat.
Oo.
I think it's an S-Scoops.
Oh! Kasi siya rin yung siya rin yung nagsisend off sa kanila isa-isa.
Correct.
Ah.
Correct, di ba? Tapos ang dami nangyari sa Cubao Station.
Oo.
Tapos parang feeling ko ganun din yung utak ni S-Scoops. Dami nangyayari.
Sobrang naiyak ako dun sa thought kasi parang parang hindi naman he is like the first trainee sa 17.
Oo.
So parang tas ngayon yun nga siya yung magsisend off, siya na lang din matitira sa mga hindi naman siya lang matitira but he's gonna be there throughout this whole process.
Correct. True.
So, medyo-
with June and Binghao. And
Joshua.
Joshua as well.
And si Jongan is back.
Oo.
So you know.
Jongan is back. Oo.
Yeah,
Masaya
so-
na siya. He's back with this
Exactly.
favorite
Kaya nga
person.
yung kupsh-kupsh niya,
Correct.
masyado siyang maligaya.
True that.
Akala mo pa naman nung magiging Cubao Station natin, tipong si Song Kwan.
Bakit?
Wala lang maingay.
Maingay din naman siya iba.
Pero para sa Cubao yung pinaka kasi doon nga yung meeting place.
I would say Recto is a little bit crazier.
So, ang recto ba ay Hoshi o Song Kwan?
ang recto Hoshi talaga. Ang
Hoshi?
recto. Sobrang,
Bakit mukha siyang pupuntang Isetan? Ganon.
ang gulo eh. Yung parang di wala ko sa kapupunta.
Si Hoshi yung tipong, alam mo yung si Divisoria, pag sa Tabora, yung nagbebenta ng tela.
Oo.
Na para lang may ingay, yung
Correct.
yung mga
Girl,
tela. yung parang ganun. ganon.
Para lumapit sila.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Si Hoshi yun.
Na-imagine ko na siya nakasando,
Mm.
tapos nagbibenta ng mga tela na yung discounted na.
Oo.
Kasi retaso na lang eh.
Oo,
Tas
nasa
LV.
labas. Oo.
Tapos LV,
Oo.
correct. Oo, panggawang
Ganon.
panggawang blanket
Oo.
ni baby.
Tapos pag bored na siya sa pwesto,
Correct.
kukuha lang na siya something, so lalakad-lakad siya
True.
sa Ilaya, back and forth.
Oo. Tapos yung mga
Ganon.
nagtitinda doon ng mga yosi, yung mga naglalako, kilala niya yung lahat.
Oo.
Oo. So,
Oo.
lalapit siya, kakausapin niya. Tapos yung nanay niya nagbibenta. Siya talaga yung proprietor
Oo.
nun. Hoy, balik ka na dito! Gaganon siya.
Oo.
Benta ka na, may customer tayo.
Oo.
Yun.
Oh my God!
Kaya siya ang
Correct,
Recto
correct.
Station.
At sino naman ang Ayala Station? Dapat alam mo yan, malapit sa'yo yan, girl.
Joshua.
Bakit si Joshua?
Joshua
Bakit
talaga.
si Joshua?
Dahil mahilig siya sa ATM. Ang daming ATM sa Makati.
At meron pa tayong One Ayala.
Juan Ayala,
Oo.
di ba? Parang also, can you imagine Joshua in an MRT station? Nakaganyan siya. Tapos yung nakaganon.
Oo, masyashock
Oo,
siya.
masyashock siya. Hindi.
Kaya parang pang-Ayala lang siya kasi yun yung pinakamaganda.
Correct. Parang pag si Joshua nag-MRT, ibig sabihin masyadong traffic. Like Ann
Oo.
Curtis.
Oo,
Yes.
Very
parang
much
ganon.
like Ann Curtis.
So, ang
Like,
alam lang niya, Ayala to Cubao. Kasi
Oo.
sa Cubao, diretso Araneta, may concert,
May
may
concert
something.
siya,
Oo. Tapos
correct.
sa Ayala, kasi dun yung hotel niya. Parang
Oo.
ganun lang.
Tapos pag sasakay siya, pag may concert siya sa MOA, hindi siya bababa sa ano yun, sa may EDSA Taft. Kasi ang gulo din sa EDSA
Oo.
Taft. Si Hoshi pwede din sa EDSA Taft.
I think Song Kwan
Oo.
actually ang na-imagine ko for
Sa
Taft.
talaga?
Mm-mm.
Taft?
Mm-mm.
So, does Song Kwan have La Salista vibes?
For me, yes.
Ah.
Especially sa Karatlan. Nakita mo yung outfit niya, yung
Alam mo,
jersey.
grabe.
May ano nga eh, I saw nga Park Ji-hoon in it. Kasi may ganung outfit, may ganung look si Park Ji-hoon. Na jersey, na medyo tight.
Oo.
And then, same-ish color sa hair ni Song Kwan now.
Oo.
Wala lang.
Oh.
May something si Song Kwan.
So, pag naka-jersey ka, automatic na nasa EDSA Taft ka.
Oo.
Oo.
Mukhang magbabasket.
And the thing is,
Oo.
hindi pa nga papuntang Lasal yun kasi bababa ka pa eh. Lilipat
Oo.
ka LRT1.
Diba? May mga ganyang
Oo,
lipatan.
so hindi pa automatic papuntang
Correct,
Lasal
correct.
yan. Kasi pwedeng pupunta ring BF. Sukat station ang biyahe mo.
May sukat station
Meron.
ba?
Oo, namaste.
Ang MRT?
Ang LRT,
Mm-mm.
like it connects na there's all the way up to
Ah, so
Sukat.
it's
Oo.
new. Maybe next time until Batangas.
Wow. I think sakto sa stilts.
Oo, ganyan. Para
Diyan
mag-ano
ng
tayo.
kalatagan.
Well, after natin tumawa, kailangan
Oo.
nating
Umiyak.
serious. Oo.
Wow!
Umiyak ng konti.
Okay.
Because we do know that the Macne Line's enlistment is
Hmm.
starting at buong time. They kept on asking us to wait for them.
Yeah.
So, anong gusto nyong sabihin sa
Message.
members who have been asking us to wait for them?
Oo.
Well, I can start.
Mm.
Dear Sebongis.
Wow!
Dapat may ganon.
Ganon. Ay, ang tawag doon, sino yon yung lalaking artista na may ganong...
Yung
The
yung
crablet
crab,
guy?
Oo.
Ah?
Iba yun.
Oo.
Dapat tatakpan.
Mm-mm.
Matagal na nakabook ang return, ang ticket na yon sa
Oo.
paghihintay na yon. And parang matagal na rin akong naka-park. Parang matagal na akong nag-start na maghintay. Alam mo yon. Like, while they've been very active these past few years, alam mo yung nafe-feel mo na
Yeah.
may namimiss ka talaga. Like, alam mo yun. Syempre, dahil pa isa-isa na silang nawawala. So, in a way, kahit na syempre masakit na mag-i-enlist na sila now, kumbaga na pre-grieve ko na it's coming. Nasimulan ko na siya a long time ago that this is gonna happen.
Yeah.
And I'm actually glad that it's finally happening kasi finally, para it's ongoing na.
Medyo long drawn out na siya.
Oo. Para it's
Oo.
ongoing na.
Oo.
Para pwede na mag-start maghintay sa pagbalik nila. Alam mo yun? Kasi
correct.
wala. Ang gusto lang naman natin is bumalik sila. So, yun lang.
Oo.
Punta tayo, diretso tayo sa end goals. Yun. So, I guess I just want to say to the Sebongs na, of course, I'm still gonna be here. And, na-challenge ako sa sinabi ni Mingyu, ha? Ikaw talaga, Mingyu, na sabi niya, ang gusto niya mangyari is mag-change siya. Sana may change when he comes back, when they come back.
Yes.
And, parang I feel like, yeah, that's something that I'd wanna do too. Like, diba, 2 years, that's a long time.
Yeah.
what's gonna
Long
happen.
and fast.
Long and also
Exactly.
fast.
Mm.
So I don't know what's gonna happen. Pero parang gusto ko rin malaman din gusto ko rin sana na magbago din ako for the better, of course.
Oo.
Why not take this as a challenge?
For yourself as well.
Yeah, for myself as well.
Mm-mm.
Di ba nag-set
Tama.
din tayo ng whole enlistment goals na dapat may mga
Yeah.
nabago din tayo. And
Oo.
ilang months left na lang? 8.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, around 8 months left kasi sa March. Babalik na sila. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Babalik na rin sila.
Mm-mm.
Hi. How about you, Trencia?
Enlistment is it used to be such a scary word.
Oh.
Yeah.
Diba? But like, ever since bumalik ang BTS, and parang it didn't feel so scary because it just happened so fast.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? And then you're still there and the emotions are still there. And I feel like it's gonna be the same way with 17. And parang na-realize mo din na parang even if they're gone, ang dami pa rin nilang content.
Yeah.
Parang so it feels like they're still there.
Mm.
And I appreciate that about how they're doing things. And I think 17 does this the best din. Parang like, ever since nag-enlist si Jonghan, parang ang dami ng content. It didn't really feel like they were gone.
Yeah.
And I appreciate yung ganung parang foreshadowing or forethought nila to help us feel at ease when they're, not in our presence. In my head, I am thinking na lang at yung last moment, kasi I'm watching, DXS, and that will be my, parang, kumbaga, farewell for them, and I will watch it na parang it's a snapshot. And then, pagbalik nila, parang, yung feelings ko na na-encapture dun sa snapshot na yun will still be there.
Oh.
And I know it will be.
Yeah.
Because like, with the other group din naman, parang it felt that way.
Mm.
It's still there. And ang ganda rin ng feeling na parang, you've gone through the enlistment period and it's still there. Parang nagdi-deepen siya. Parang it's not like, my God, 17, hindi na siya ganun. Pero it feels more like secure.
Yeah.
It feels more grounded. Na it feels like it's gonna last longer. So, I think in message ko sa kanila is, parang, I know na you're worried. Parang like when they leave and they're gonna be all gone. Not all gone, pero parang mawawala talaga sila in our periphery, in our circle for a while. But parang like, trust na us Carats have already like grounded our love for you guys. And we will be there at the time when you've returned. With banners and lots of cheering and fabric na kwak, 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 na ganun. Kasi ganun kami ka-excited to see you back.
Lahat na istasyon ng MRT tsaka LRT, lalagyan namin
Correct.
ng welcome back Sebongis.
Exact
Ganon.
the month. Yes.
Yeah, ako parang I'm like 2 years of waiting. It's not a big ask. It's okay. We'll be here. It's
Correct.
nothing to be worried about, especially for this group that has given me so much happiness, so much comfort. So like, wag ka kayo mag-alala. Pero nilagay ko nga sa TikTok ko, gusto ko i-try. Gusto ko i-try na umalis. Kasi sabi ni Song Chul, huhulihin daw niya isa-isa lahat ng carrots na umalis. Try ko na umalis. Tapos sabi ko kay Song Chul, bye, alis na ako.
Hulihin mo ko.
Ganun. Tatry ko lang na.
Okay.
Tapos tignan ko lang. Para ma-feel ko, paano ba yun, Jonghan? Ano ba feeling na hinahabol na isang choice ng chol? Parang ganon. Yeah, well, okay, Carrots, sa ating mga Saryang Base, that's our episode about Carrotland and V8 as well. If you want to share with us all your thoughts as well, please leave it in the comments. We would love to hear more about it. At madami pa tayong gustong pag-usapan, kaya ilagay nyo dyan so that we can reply and we can extend this conversation. And we will be back right after this. Okay, and now we are back, and because Carrotland is the time kung kailan ang mga Sebongis are able to play lots and lots of games, bakit hindi natin sila dalhin sa very throwback 90s na klase ng birthday party? At alam niyo naman, ang birthday parties dito sa Pilipinas, laging uso ang mga parlor games.
Yes.
So, ang tanong ko sa inyo, let me know sino ang pambato ninyo sa parlor game na sasabihin ko.
Okay.
Pambato doesn't necessarily mean naman na kailangan siya yung manalo. Gusto niyo lang, siya yung sumali.
Oo.
So, bakit
Correct.
hindi?
For whatever reason.
Yes.
At napakahalaga sa lahat ng mga children's party ay meron tayong pukpok palayok. Sino ang inyong pambato sa pukpok palayok?
Ako Mingyu na.
Ang daya, ang tangkad.
Ayun ba?
Wala sa tangkad yun.
Okay.
Kasi pwede naman ibagsak ng
The
mababa.
thing is kasi kahit na matangkad siya, clumsy pa.
Oo. Oo. Ako
Sure na may mababasag siya kahit
Oo,
anong
yun nga.
Kahit
mangyari.
hindi yung palayok.
Oo, kahit na yung halaman ng
Oo.
mami mo.
Oo,
Ganon.
Correct.
Sabi niyo, palayok na naman
Oo,
yun.
Oo.
Palayok.
Wala nga lang candy.
Oo, correct. Yung akin, and because he is a baseball enthusiast,
Oh, yes.
of course, Sukmin.
Oh my
diba?
God.
Parang like, and he has shown in
Very
Karatlan na he has very good aim.
Pero feeling mo, kaya ba niya yun kapag naka-blindfold siya tapos paiikutin natin siya?
Hindi ko alam. Pero I'm sure it's gonna be entertaining. Na-imagine ko siya,
Oh, exactly. Sisigaw lang siya.
diba? So,
Sisigaw.
hindi siya mananalo, pero at least I'm fully entertained.
Ah,
I think yun
okay.
yung important din doon.
Tama naman. Eh, syempre, pambabato ko na si Choi Sung-chol.
Oo.
Wala lang. Gusto ko
Para
lang
sa
siyang
yung
makita. Oo, di ba? Tapos, di ba, nung bata tayo, parang lagi, yung matching na sando tsaka shorts.
Oo.
Dapat nakaganon siya, yung matching na sando
Correct.
tsaka shorts. Tapos, magpupukpok palayok
Pero
siya.
alam mo, feeling ko hindi na niya kailangan yun. Susuntukin niya yung ano.
Okay, tapos akala ko i-headbutt niya eh.
Pwede din. I think it's within his capacity to headbutt a palayok.
Oo.
Tapos parang siya, ano, ba't parang worried kayo? Hindi naman masakit eh.
Correct.
Ganun.
Tapos yung sumayo, ito nga si Mingyu nga, yun o, yun.
Oo.
Gaganon siya.
Correct.
Sino pambato niyo sa trip to Jerusalem?
Ah.
Ako na si Hoshi.
Hoshi.
Kailangan, di ba, sumasayaw tapos
Sayaw.
nakaagaw na upuan. Kaya-kaya na niya yun.
Correct.
Hoshi.
Alam mo, June for some reason in my mind.
I did
Bakit?
think of June
Oo.
also.
Bakit si June?
Si June kasi parang feeling ko he's such a silent player.
Oh.
And he's so sneaky. Alam mo yon. So feeling ko parang like at the very last minute, makakahanap siya ng paraan na makaupo. diba? Tapos tahimik lang siya doon.
Correct.
Diba?
Parang meron siyang mga stealth karate skills also. So
correct.
parang, okay, tama. Ikaw, sino pambato mo?
Ako, si Joshua.
Ay!
True that.
Yes. Because
Mm-mm.
Joshua has this certain walk na pero medyo bouncy.
Correct.
Basta there's something about his foot.
Correct.
I feel like that can be an asset. Like, pag
Oo,
umiikot,
to distract.
nakaka-distract na.
Oo.
And then
Tapos naka-sleeveless pa siya.
Tapos pag aagawan na pag mag-aagawan na ng upuan,
Oo.
somehow his magical ass will slink to us.
Tsaka madaya din siya ng slight eh.
Oo,
May
may
daya
pagka-cheat
din
yun
yan
nga
eh.
eh.
Oo,
Kaya evil
oo.
twin ni
So,
John.
Joshua is my bet.
Tama.
At ang ating grand finale game, hindi syempre pwedeng matapos ang isang birthday party ng walang calamansi relay.
Ilan yun? Kasi diba relay siya. So,
okay.
may calamansi.
Tatlo.
So, dalawang grupo
Oo.
tayo.
Oo.
Ganyan. Dalawang grupo ng 6,
Oo.
7 each. Ganon. Anyway, sinong pambato nyo sa calamansi relay?
Iikot
Sinong
lang
magaling-
sila.
Sinong magaling kumagat sa kutsara at
Sa
makapasa
kagano.
ng kalamansi
Oo.
dun sa kasunod niya?
Okay.
Si Sung Chol yung isa kasi lagi siya nakapout.
Oh.
Ang daling pasukan ng kutsara.
Oo, kaya-kaya niya na yun.
Okay.
Parang feeling ko, ang hindi ko isasama dyan, lahat sila pwede, pero ang hindi ko isasama, si Mingyu at si Woozi.
Bakit?
Ang taas yung height difference eh.
Oh,
Sorry
yung
naman,
pag-distribute
strategy
pa
lang tayo.
Okay.
Oo. Ang hirap eh, baka mahulog. Kailangan magkaka-height sila.
Oo,
Mm.
so mahalaga.
Oo.
Ako, ang ayoko isama si Song Kwan. Kasi maingay, magagalit siya. So pag may pinagalitan siya, matatanggal na yung kutsara.
Correct.
Talo na sila. So hindi siya pwede.
Baka yung kutsara dapat nakatali.
Kailangan kasama si Noni. Kasi diba he does that game that the...
Correct!
Kendama ba yun?
Correct.
So balance yun, diba?
Oo.
Kaya din niya yun. Mouth version.
So, meron siyang mga patips.
Oo.
So, kayo, Sarang Base, ano ba ang gusto ninyong mga parlor games na laruin ng mga Sebongis at sino ang pambato ninyo? Pakilagay naman yan sa comment section. Pag-usapan pa natin yan because we would love to extend this conversation with you guys online and offline na rin. Baka pag nakita tayo randomly sa MRT. Sa MRT. Kwentuhan
Correct.
niyo ako.
O sa
Ako
Ayala
gusto kong-
Station, guys.
Oh, ganyan, sa
Malapit
Ayala
yun sa akin.
Station.
Parati ako nag-MRT punta doon.
And of course, this episode is possible because of Q Studios. Thank you so much, Q Studios.
Thank you,
If you are a content creator or you just need a space to ideate and to create, head on over to their studio here in Makati and you can check them out on the Q.ph or find them on Facebook and Instagram at the Q Studios Makati. Thank you so much, Q Studios. Full services available, so please do avail of it right away. And para sa ating mga Sarang Base, please do check out our MV review of V8 Sing a Song as well. And let us know in the comments kung ano pa ang mga gusto ninyong pag-usapan natin habang naka-hiatus ang 17 temporarily as a full group. So this has been fun. Please share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and on Threads. And we will see you on our next episode. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Saranghae.
Saranghae!
Heart to heart. Yung asawa ko nung bata siya, pumunta siya sa birthday party, tapos hindi niya pala kakilala yung celebrant. Hinatid siya ng driver sa maling bahay. Parang may nakita lang sila, may mga blobo. Tapos bumaba na siya. Tapos nun, parang pagkababa niya, nakit-CR pa siya. Tapos nun, kumakain na siya ng shakies. Tapos na-realize niya,
Wala akong
wala akong
Tapos wala naman yung question.
wala.
Sino to batang to?
So, anong ginawa niya?
Nanindigan.
Oh my God, so tumagal siya doon? Magdamag siya nun?
Kaya sabi ko, gusto ko makita yung mga picture.
Oo.
Mga picture.
Your husband is such a hoshi.
I know.
Oo, correct.
Pwede din mangyari nga.
Oo.